Hello, welcome. I am Ramesh Nath from Nepal Telecom.
Hi, this is Lakshmijal Chetri from Nepal Telecom.
I'm Ganesh Paudel. I'm from Nepal Telecom. We are here for an Oracle-based ERP training. We are here in Chennai, FOI. The training topic for us is core HR, payroll, and iRecruitment. I work in the recruitment department. Therefore, my expectation about this training was to learn all about HR, payroll, and iRecruitment so that we can implement it very well.
I am a senior admin officer in the Nepal Telecom. First of all, I want to thank to the 4i and our organization for giving us this opportunity to hear, and they have given some topics for our training purpose. Basically, core HR, iRecruitment, and payroll. We have learned here a lot. I'm from the initially time I'm involved in the ERP for the scoping team, PAD team, and in this training also.
I'm from payroll section. So we are here for training, and the things we have learned here is very important for our future activities. Here we have learned there are lots of departments. The payroll department is interrelated to HR and the finance as well. We use the HR data to process in payroll, and we use the AP, AR, CM, GL, etc. in payroll also. And the first time I entered the 4i building, I was mesmerized by the work environment here. The work environment here is very wonderful, very nice. There's an open space concept, and everyone is engrossed in their work. It was very wonderful, and so I feel so good to be a part of this environment as well, for if it is just only for 10 days. I'm very thankful to my management as well for making us a part of this very important project. Thank you.